Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the 1 to 49 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Jean Claude Constantin, famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on the Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove all parts from the frame first, like that. It is very easy to do. Then you will notice that there are numbers on the background of the frame starting from 1 to 49. What you have to do next is find the piece that has a circle engravement, put it around any of 49 numbers, depend on your mood, on the day of the week or any other preferences you like, and then put the rest of the parts around it so that you will be able to fit all parts inside the frame. And that will be quite a difficult challenge since all parts in this puzzle are unique and you have to find a specific spot for each and every piece, and only then you will be able to solve the puzzle. It is not an easy one. It will take you a lot of time since the puzzle has not one but 49 solutions. That means that you can solve it again and again and again until you will be able to solve absolutely all variations of this puzzle. There are 49 of them here. I don't think that this attempt will lead to a successful solution. Let's see. I'm just gonna put some more parts, and I already see that there are places where I won't be able to fit anything. Like here I won't be able to close it with anything, so I'm not gonna just continue doing that. So if you like the 1 to 49 puzzle and you want to try to solve it by yourself and try to find all 49 solutions, you can buy this puzzle at puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see how to solve this puzzle, and if you want to know how to solve this puzzle, at least one solution, which I'm going to show you, keep watching the video. And now I'll show you at least one of the solutions so that you can put parts back inside the frame. Since there are 49 solutions at least, I'm not going to show you all of them. It will be time consuming. So I'm going to put the circle around number 47 right here, and then put the rest of the parts around. So this large piece will go right here on top. Then I'm going to put this piece down here. The next one that I'm going to put will be this piece. It goes on top. Then I'm going to grab this piece. I guess it goes right here, as I remember. Yes, that looks correct. The next piece will be this one, and I'm going to put it right here. Then I'm going to grab this large piece that looks like a cross. It goes here on top. The next part will be this one, and it fits here nicely. Then I'm going to put this piece right here. Fits good as well. Something goes here in the corner, and it will be this part. Now we have only 3 parts left. I think that this piece goes here. This piece goes right here, and the last part, I guess I can put it somewhere here. Yeah, and that is only one of 49 solutions. If you want to try to solve the puzzle and find all 49 solutions, you can buy it at puzzlemaster.ca. And if you like this puzzle and you want to try some more great puzzles from Jean Claude Constantin, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.